Welcome back, my friends. So I went out and I got myself this Abaddon the Despoiler, and I will be unboxing today in front of you. It looks really good. This model looks brilliant. The last one looked a bit, it was still brilliant because, you know, you can't fault Jess Goodwin, but this one is very much more animated. The pose is brilliant, great silhouette as well, really nice pose. So let's get right into it and open it. Oh, let's see. I heard that they sculpted the under armor as well to all this on top of the actual armor as well. What's this? This is a nice poster. Oh, that's nice. Some artwork. John Blanche, I think, or Goodwin, Jess Goodwin, I'm not sure. That's nice. Might put this up. Very nice. Okay, so let's see the kit. As soon as you open it, got this massive base, which is nice, and you've got this booklet. Read this first. Instructions, how to put it in. Oh, that cloak looks nice too. Yeah, as you can see, look, see the Under Armour has got detail as well. Even though you're not going to see it, but it just shows the amount of detail and care they put into it. And I guess the whole point is having fun putting it together as well. It's all part of the hobby. So this looks really good. I like this. I'm really looking forward to painting this model. His details and stuff, his color scheme. I think I will go with a similar color because it's just so good. I might change the cloak color, maybe make it. I know the Abaddon is mainly Night Lord's armor, which is black, but I was thinking of maybe putting in a hint of grey, building up the grey highlights, leaving the black shadows, just to make it a bit different. And maybe having the cloak a bright color, maybe yellow or something, just something different, or purple. But we'll see. I might just play it by ear. But I'm really looking forward to it. It's a lovely model, absolutely brilliant. And we've got the base here with the Space Marine. That's brilliant. And then the trophy rack with the Space Marine head, Gene Stealer head. Reminds me of the classic. I think there was a bit too many on the classic. It was a bit small, but yeah, you've got the cloak here, all the armor. It's a very big model. So yeah, unboxed. I look forward to putting this together and painting this. So stay tuned for the next video. Sorry I haven't been putting videos out regularly. Life just got in the way with my work, you know, and just deadlines and stuff and teaching. So but I will start to do regular videos. After this one I'll do like a speed painting series of videos on different Chaos chapters and Space Marine chapters. And if you want to download my free ebook, just click on the link in the description in this video below, and you'll get a free ebook. And then just put your email in and I will send regular emails to you on stuff that I'm doing and any equipment that I find is useful for me that I can share with you. And most of those links are affiliate links because if you click on it, I get a commission from Amazon or Goblin Games, and that helps me with my channel. So that's very much appreciated. And there's also the Patreon page as well, which if you'd like to support me, that would be great. You know, that would really help me as well. And but yeah, so next video will be painting, putting it together in painting, and base coating and midtones and highlights. I will use the airbrush doing that, and then I will use the paintbrush to get into the details and highlights. So yeah, look forward to painting it. So see you next video, and happy painting everyone.